Shilakviji, we've also had in recent months this idea of New Noida, which has been put forward by the UP government, by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, which is about redeveloping about 84 or 85 village blocks into a totally new entity, just like Noida and Greater Noida. Now, that will have an impact on Greater Noida and the way where you sit, but also on the larger economy of Western UP. So how do you see that kind of integrated development, both for where you are sitting, but also for the larger region, and in the context of Viksit Bharat by 2047?
So, the development of this entire NCR region, bordering Delhi, especially of Uttar Pradesh, has been, it began with Noida, and now in the second, later on, Greater Noida was developed. These are all contiguous areas. So, this new Noida is a region which is just adjacent to the Greater Noida area. So it so happened that in Noida, there is a huge demand for land from the industry and the other investors. But because being an old city, the land bank has been somewhat saturated. So this area is being developed to cater to this rising demand. Entirely in the area of NCR, there is a huge demand for investment, be it industry or real estate or anything for that matter. So New Noida is one such, again, greenfield project which is under the process of development. In addition to that, adjacent to New Noida, there is a Yamuna Expressway project which is also underway, which is another region which is getting developed. So these all are contiguous parcels, and up to Agra, this entire area will be planned, well planned, as it happened with Greater Noida, so that it will cater to the rising demands of the industry, IT sector, institutions, and educational institution, all these things. And, it will will be supplementary, not affecting the growth of another region per se.